In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check deleted messages on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app. After that, go to your profile, tap at menu and select your activity. Then if we scroll down to the very bottom, we can easily find download your information. And this tool allows us to request a copy of all our information at any time, including deleted messages. To continue, tap at Request Download, then select your Instagram account and tap at Next. On the next step, we can choose if we would like to get complete copy, or we can also select types of information. If we just want to check our deleted messages, we can checkmark messages and tap at Next. After that, tap at Submit Request. When the information is ready, you will be able to download the data directly from this page. That's how you can easily check deleted messages on Instagram.